Hello, I'm Hollis from Hollis' Agency Lab, and in today's video, as you know, I'm doing like the showing you how it worked and stuff from this Trick or Treat rope I built a few days ago. I had some issues, steps for one of them, I couldn't quite get steps. Another was the motor was overheating, causing it to loosen up as you go like in there. Unfortunately, it did not work that great, so I only got to go to like 30 houses with it. So just enjoy the footage. So yes, it's not perfect, but just enjoy. So there, as you just saw, was like the driving footage. I hope you enjoyed. It wasn't much, I know, and it didn't look great. Maybe next year I'll build something that can go up steps and stuff. Is much better. But that's all for this video. So I hope you enjoyed, and that's all for this video. Bye.